Consistency, consistency, consistency. I'm gonna say that one more time. Consistency is key. Hi, I'm Leah, and we're here to help you get over that beginner's hump of publishing your first product and getting consistent sales so you can have that online business you've been dreaming of. We also want to keep consistently putting out videos for you, so please hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. Now, too many people enter the game thinking print on demand is effortless, easy money. Sure, aspects of it are relatively easy, like signing up with Printify, creating your first product, and publishing it to your store. And of course, it's risk-free, but that's just the very beginning. Now you need to actually sell your product to make money. This is often where merchants might get overwhelmed or they give up after a few weeks if they haven't made a ton of sales yet. Let's take a step back, look at the things within our control, and work through this together. The first and probably the most important thing to remember as you're at the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey is consistency. For consistent growth, start with baby steps. You've probably heard slow and steady wins the race, right? Well, the same applies to your POD store. Long-term goals and an overall vision are excellent to have, but it's easier to focus on what's in front of you at the moment. Create a plan with small, attainable goals, and eventually all of those put together will get you to your vision. Set goals that are within your control and give them a number. Some examples might be to design for 2 hours a day, or schedule 2 promotions per month, or post 3 content posts on your social media a week. With proper planning, these are all realistic goals within your control. An example of a goal that's not in your control is how many sales you make. We can't force anyone to buy anything, but we can focus on the certain aspects that will push people in that direction. Consistently put out designs, products, ads, or content, and go through the trial and error process until you find what works. A special note for Etsy users, the algorithm seems to reward consistent effort and work on your store. Those who keep working at it, creating new designs and products in different niches seem to see more success. It's not an overnight process. It may take weeks or months, so don't give up. It's also important to stay on top of current trends for your niche. Some simple ways you can do this: keep in touch with your audience. What are they asking for? Take your customer feedback seriously. Another way is by creating yourself a network. Get involved with POD beyond just your store. Attend events, webinars, and trainings. A great place to start is the Printify POD Rockstars group on Facebook. And lastly, follow newsletters, blogs, videos, and content related to your niche that you'll actually look at and enjoy. Speaking of stuff you enjoy, do what you enjoy. Focus on the reasons you got into POD in the first place. If you love creating and designing, focus on that. If you love a good marketing challenge, keep your sights there. If your favorite hobby is cooking, look for a niche there. Genuinely liking what you do will help keep you motivated and help you avoid burnout. So many people just want to try it out and see what happens, but often that results in people becoming overwhelmed and ending their efforts early. Trying to do everything at once without a plan will be really tough. Try to stay organized, not just with spreadsheets and files, but with your time. Have a plan and create yourself a POD routine. Oh, and did I mention that consistency is key? If you're just starting out, how else can we help you, or what else do you want to know? If you're a seasoned seller, what other tips would you share with newcomers? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more POD tips and tricks.